how's your first Disney Carousel ride?
It's fine. It's okay.
Don't look too excited.
It's a carousel.
It's a carousel. Good afternoon from the Magic Kingdom. We are here today to eat at the Be Our Guest restaurant. We're gonna dive right into this episode. We're gonna head right over there first. We normally do some rides first, but make sure to subscribe, bell icon, like this video, and we're gonna head over to Be Our Guest. Thank you for being here.
So the first time we were here was 2019, and we ate here during the fireworks. I think because there was probably some extra reservations because everyone wanted to see the fireworks. It was so loud. It honestly sounded like the roof sounded like it was about to cave in. And then last time we were here was last September, and they like severely undercooked my steak like 2 or 3 times. Like, I'm not picky. I am not picky. But it was to the point where like I'm just not physically comfortable eating this. I can't afford food poisoning.
I don't know if you can see behind me right now, but the castle at Be Our Guest is under construction. And it is very, I guess, immersive breaking because you can see all the construction workers next to the castle and they look like giants, like King Kong type, whatever. It's under construction right now. It's not the full immersive experience, but we're very much looking forward to it, and our table's ready right now, so we should probably go inside.
If you've never been to Be Our Guest, it's as if you're dining in Beast's Castle.
I have actually eaten here once before. I've been with Isabel. So Isabel's been there with me twice. And I went
3 times.
3 times?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the 3rd time.
Yes.
The one other time I had been here was in a trip in 2014 where they did quick service. And this was during lunch. They used to do quick service. This is where you would order your meals. It makes for a really awkward hallway now, but this is the main hall where we did end up eating in for this specific meal.
This room is called the Grand Ballroom, and it's actually the biggest room of the 3, and you can actually see snow falling outside the windows.
We've eaten here 2 out of the 3 times we've been here for dinner. If you do take a right, you will then enter into, what was this other room called?
The Castle Gallery. It's supposed to be Belle's private library.
I don't think this spot actually exists in the movies, though.
Maybe not.
No. But if you were back in the ballroom and take a left, you'll be venturing into the West Wing. So the West Wing is what Beast warns Belle and other characters to stay out of during the movie. You can spot the rose, which will lose its petals during the meal. I really want to eat in here, but it's also extremely dark.
It's very dark.
And I'm kind of glad we didn't eat in here because of that, because, yeah.
Be Our Guest actually has a prefix menu, which means that for the price you pay, you get an appetizer, an entree, and a dessert.
They do still have the mobile menu, so you've got the little digital whatever QR code. Another thing they are still doing as of right now is having Beast walk around and do distance meet and greets. It's no picture opportunity type things, but he'll be greeting all of the guests.
Still exciting.
Yeah. We got French onion soup, which is what we've gotten almost every time, I think, right?
I think that's what we've gotten every time. It's really good.
Not as good as the bread, though. I'm not the biggest fan of French onion, but I also don't like salad. So bread is great. Butter is great as well.
Wait, it's very hot.
On to the main course, which I actually ended up ordering the Herb-salted Pork Tenderloin, which I hadn't had before, which was crispy pork belly, seasoned vegetables, and candied pecans. Pecans were not the best, in my opinion.
I ordered the center cut filet mignon, and it came with potatoes and vegetables, and I actually had to use my phone flashlight to make sure it was cooked all the way through, because last time it was not cooked all the way through.
Yeah, I'm gonna be completely honest. I really did not like the pork tenderloin meal. We ended up switching meals. This is something that I don't know. I feel like it feels very childish to be like, I don't like this, let me get your food, but you weren't
But it was fine because I was debating between the steak and the pork tenderloin, and I ended up loving the pork tenderloin.
Yeah. All which was kind of eclipsed by the dessert, though, which was amazing, honestly.
I actually got the child's dessert, which was the exact same as the adult dessert, but you actually got a paintbrush and some food safe paint to decorate your teacup.
Isabel, her goal was first to paint the whole thing and then decided to paint Chip. Oh, it looks just like Chip. I personally thought that her cup more so looked like the villain from the beginning of the second live-action Scooby-Doo movie. But with the adult version of this dessert, it came with gray stuff in a white chocolate cup, which is kind of similar to what she was having there, a raspberry macaron, and a dark chocolate truffle. Do you want to give context to why you got a kids meal?
Yeah, so we actually had a manager come over named Kent, and he talked with us for a while and actually asked us if we were feeling artistic. So he brought us out the kids' dessert so we could actually paint, which I thought was very nice.
Yes.
We just finished our amazing lunch at Be Our Guest. Always amazing. And now we're gonna go ride Little Mermaid because it only has a 15-minute wait. And there's a couple other rides that have a pretty short wait, so I think we're gonna ride some other things too.
Little Mermaid was wonderful, except for one thing. You'll see by this clip right here, PSA, do not use flash on a ride. I know you can't see stuff, but phones are built for that now. People always use the excuse, oh, there's a million other ride-throughs that are better than, like, it's fine, I understand you want to have it on your phone. That is totally okay. I'm not somebody who's gonna deter somebody from filming on a ride. That's okay, but do not use your flash. That's it. That's all we have to say. We're gonna go try out another ride. I haven't done the Carousel since probably I was 5 years old.
And I've never done it.
And it's like a 10 or 5 minute wait right now. Isabel's never done it. We're gonna go over do the Carousel. We're doing a very Fantasyland based vlog, if you can't tell. Be Our Guest. Yeah, we're gonna go over to the Carousel.
The last Carousel I went on was at Six Flags Great America. I feel like this one's a little bit more important, but not as tall.
Yes, that one is a double decker. This one is not. How are you feeling?
I'm gonna fall off of this thing.
How's your first Disney Carousel ride?
It's fine. It's okay.
Don't look too excited.
It's a carousel.
It's a carousel. We're getting very, very dizzy.
So, since I did not grow up going to Disney, I did not go to Disney until I was 20?
21?
21. I was 21 when we went for the first time. There are a lot of things I have never done at Disney, and there are still things that I have never done. I had never went on the carousel until just now. But it makes it exciting because, like, we try to, like, incorporate, like, one new thing pretty much every time we try to go to the parks, you know? Because it keeps it, like, refreshing and doesn't make it get stale or anything.
Right now we're headed over to Main Street because there's, like, a new Starbucks drink that's, like, not too coffee, that's, like, what is it?
A strawberry funnel cake.
Strawberry funnel cake is what it is. I'm very excited for that. She's gonna get a normal coffee. Before we head there though, let me just say, please get vaccinated. Please wear your mask. Theme parks are a big spreader of this thing that's going on right now. I don't need to say what it is. And the best thing you can do and the safest thing you can do is get vaccinated and wear a mask wherever you can at a theme park. Just wanted to put that out there. We are creators that believe in science, and we wanted to put that out there and say to all of our followers, this is where we're at, and we just want to encourage everybody to do the right thing. So we're gonna head over to the hub. Sorry for that brief interruption, but we're gonna head over there. We'll see you guys in Starbucks probably. Okay, so we went to Starbucks. What did you get?
Grande caramel frappuccino with an extra shot of espresso.
And now we're drinking on the hub grass over here in the shade because it's very hot. How hot is it today, you think?
Let me check. Because it's definitely hotter than it says it's only 89, but it's hotter than that. It feels like 99. There it is.
What did I get?
Got a strawberry funnel cake frappuccino.
Yes. It looks very good. You want to film the top of it? It's like overflowing a little bit. It looks like a peanut butter and jelly, but yeah. I'm sure there's no peanut butter in it. I don't like coffee, but apparently this might not taste like coffee.
It's not going to taste like coffee.
Okay. This is a funnel cake. This is like I'm drinking a funnel cake. This is awesome.
I told you it wasn't going to taste like coffee.
I don't know. I don't know. Well, at least the top of it. We'll see.
They did a really good job recreating that funnel cake flavor.
I know.
That's weird.
I have had better coffee-based drinks. I don't like coffee. If you've noticed from previous vlogs, I don't ever just go get coffee. it tastes very funnel cakey, but also once you get past the like the strawberry stuff on top, it's very not funnel cakey.
So it just needed like extra strawberry syrup throughout it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure that
like
makes it
stirred.
I'm sure that makes it way unhealthier, but it would make it better in my opinion.
I used to, whenever I used to get Starbucks before I realized that Dunkin' was superior, I used to always ask for like 3 extra pumps of caramel.
Yeah, that probably helps a bunch. Well, that was our day here at Magic Kingdom. I really enjoyed Be Our Guest and all the other rides that we did and stuff too. If you guys do like this style of vlog where we kind of do food first, not in the middle, let us know what you guys like about this vlog in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe, bell icon, like this video, and I guess we'll see you guys real soon.